These charging cables and converting cables are really my go-to cable. You can't go wrong with Amazon Basics. They know what they're doing. This is the USB 2.0 to the USB-B. So it's A to B. This works with all devices in terms of like your printer, your computer, your laptop, digital, like other digital devices, in connecting them. It also works with like older devices because this is the backward connection, so it still works. And what I love about this is when it comes in a variety of feet, I always get the longer one because you never know. So this is the 10-foot one. And I know this is like such a little deal, but I love that they are gold plated. Most of them are silver, like the regular looking ones, but I think the gold plated just adds a little pizzazz to it. Anyhow, we carry these in our office and are extremely important. Again, it's just USB to USB. So if you need something else, this is not the converter for you, but come in handy. We have these in all offices, super reliable and easy.